Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lawaridwan here. So in this video I want to show you how you can promote your gig on Fiverr and how to make others to help you promote it too. So this video is actually inspired by this great man called Mr. Michael. He posted this thing on WhatsApp group, and I think how can we use this and make others to help us promote this as well. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how I do it. And if you're kind of lazy like me, I'm not saying I'm kind of lazy, but to automate everything and make everything faster. Okay, let's say you post something right now and like 10 to 20 people help you to share it to their profile. That means their audience will see it also, and your own audience will see it also. That means you can get a little conversion from this. So without further ado, let's proceed. So if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So this great man said, if you are not promoting your gig, you are missing out on several opportunities. Yes, you are really missing out if you are not promoting your gig. So let's say you just own the shop and you buy your product and goods, then you kind of not advertising it or not putting a signboard outside that we are selling so stuff right there. You see that you are missing out. So and then he said we should use the getdailytrend.com to get the hashtag. So I just listed the process that we are going to use here. So number one is to get your link from Fiverr, which I already get and posted mine here. Number two, use bit.ly to shortlink it. So this one is optional. You can use the direct link from Fiverr and use it to shortlink it. But I want to know whether this thing converts or not. So that's why I'm trying to use like who are those people that click my link, from which country and which kind of device are they using. So the number four is get the hashtag using the daily trend. So first thing you need to do now is to copy the URL of the gig you want to promote. So this is the URL, and maybe write just a small converting caption right here. So let's do like that. So the next thing you need to do is just to get the daily hashtag trend. So I want to promote this thing to USA, like let me say monthly USA trend and traffic. So let me just search your and test it here. So these are the today's trends on United States. So I just want to use this one. I want to promote it to the worldwide. So I want to use this top hashtag in 24 hours, which means this thing is actually, and people are still tweeting about this thing. So I'm just select 5 of it. Let me see 5 of it. Then copy the trend. So it okay. So I'm just going to paste it below. Copy the second. You can actually add as many hashtags as you want to it. So 2, so 2, so 2. And then this one too. So this is what I will post on my Twitter account. So let me log into my Twitter right now and then post this thing there. So if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So I just paste the link here. I made the post area. I think I should add more of it, so it won't so let me say let's just put this So I'm seeing some kind of Elon Musk is kind of trending here. So I'll just add Elon Musk. See, okay, the Lakers too. So I'll just continue and then tweet it. So it doesn't end there. So the next thing I want to do now is to click on this post and copy this URL. You see this Twitter URL, we need it for this automation. So just copy the Twitter URL and I'm going to paste it somewhere here. Then the tool we are going to use now, some of you may probably come across these tools. So it's called the AdminFast. So all you need to do is just to register on adminfast.com. Then the next thing is to get some points. So I'll just I like using YouTube subscribe. So that is very fast. So I'll click on, okay, let me see if I can get something higher than this. Okay, 16. So I'm click on subscribe and wait for this thing to load. So I don't know what is wrong with this link, so I'm going to skip and then subscribe. I think there's something wrong with this their network. So let me check if I can go for the Instagram followers. Okay, so follow. So I'm going to click on follow, then wait like for 5 seconds before you close this tab. So do this tab and click on confirm. So as you can see, it said 40 point added to your balance. So I'm going to refresh this thing. This thing should be 97 by now. Well, if this is not 97, then I'm going to unfollow that person on my Instagram right now. So let us do it again. Oh yeah, I don't know, this thing doesn't work. So I'm going to click on follow again and then wait. So if this is not working, we'll try another link. So just click on confirm. So I don't think this is added to my account. Okay, this one is now added to my account. So let me skip this one and then try to search for another icon. So I think 20 points is great. So follow the guide and then wait for 5 seconds. Normally they set 2 to 30 seconds, but I will normally wait for 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, then do this thing and click on confirm. So I'm going to reload it again. Great. So for this sake of the tutorials, I don't want this video to be long. So the next thing you need to do is just go on add. This is add. So we want to use retweet here. Okay, we want to use on retweet. As you can see, Facebook share, like, follow, like. So we are going to focus on, let me check this out first. So I think I have another trick for this one. So let's say you can just copy this post right now and then paste it here. So I think the character is over limit, so remove this Lucas. Good. Character text. So you can just set this and someone will come here and then, so I will send the coin to 5. So 5 times 10, that means 10% with tweet this on their on this their profile. like mine with this same hashtag. But right now we need to focus on retweets, so I'm going to click on this retweet now. So the tweet ID, so I told you to copy the link from the start, so we're going to copy this ID right now and then paste it here. So you can even select the country that you want the person to share it to. So let's say, you want the person profile should be from. So let me just select USA, United States. So I'm going to click on 5. So this means if 10 person share this post, 50 points will be gone here. They will deduct 50 points here. So if 20% share this retweet these tweets, then 100 points will be deducted from here. So, and even you can even set a daily limit. So let's say you want just 10 people to share it for today. You can just click here and then set for 10 people. So 50 points detect here today. So you can just come tomorrow and then edit the post again, and then with different hashtag, and do the same thing we did here today. So we're just going to make everyone to share it today. So set the minimum point to 5. So as you can see, the minimum is 5 and the max is 50. So I'm just going to click on save changes. So it's easy as that. So if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So thank you for watching, and don't be too stingy with this video. Please share it and let people know how it's work. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.